Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin our today's mathematics activity of standard 2nd. And today in this activity we are having fun with the tiny tree. So let's see what is today's activity. Dear students, before starting the activity, let's note some important point. For writing an activity, you have to take A4 size paper or chart paper or any plain paper. Size is of A4. Mention your name, standard, section and roll number on it. And after that, you have to write down the activity's name, objective and material required. After that, you have to do the activity and then at the end you have to write down learning outcomes. You can see the activity, objective, material required in next slide. See here, in today's activity 1, you have to understand the concept of different objects which rolls and slides. Material required is paper, scissor, color pencils. Now understand the concept of different objects which rolls and slides with the playway method. What you have to do? We have to write down the list of the objects, observe the objects and then write down the objects which rolls or slides or both rolls and slides. And also you have to make a beautiful tree which roll and slides and paste it on the paper with the chart given below. And then you have to write down at the end learning outcomes. See here, this is your observation table and this you have to write down after material required. You have to write down below, prepare the table on the sheet, things which roll, things which slides and things which both rolls and slides. Now in this activity, for making the my tiny tree, what you have to do? Take a sheet of paper. See here, one object I am telling you, a sheet of paper. You can roll this sheet of paper and then you can slide also this after rolling it. So the things which both slides and roll is a sheet of paper. Like this, you have to observe the things which are around you and then you have to note down here in the table. Take a sheet of paper as it is shown in the first picture and then roll the paper to make a pipe. Then your paper pipe will look like this. Now use glue or tape to stick the corners. Now use scissors to cut the strips at the one end of the paper pipe and make 7 to 8 cuts. If not possible, you can make 3 to 4 cuts also. Then turn down the cuts at the end. Your tree is ready. Now color it. Green color means leaves and brown color means trunk. And then paste it on the activity sheet. After that, write down learning outcome. In this way, you can finish your activity and have fun. Thank you dear students. Have a nice day.